MTD Global has travelled to Germany today. We're actually at one of Europe's largest machine tool builders, GROB, and we're eager to learn more about their truly unique machining process. Let's go and take a look. Greg, for people that don't know of GROB machine tools, how big are you?
We actually employ over 6,000 people now. We're a family, fourth generation owned company. We turn over £1.5 billion and we employ 300 apprentices here.
Yeah, I know you invest a lot in youth, but you also invest in technology, don't you? You put a lot into research and development.
Yeah, we have a unique type of machine here that's dominantly been automotive. We've moved across now that sector to the aerospace. The technology we've learned from the automotive, we can transfer all of that into the aerospace as we have done now all over the world.
Yeah, and for the viewers at home, I can assure them it is unique, but just tell them what it is. What is it unique and why is it better to do it the GROB method?
Okay. Now, our machine is a horizontal spindle with an unsupported table. A lot of tables have a trunnion type table, ours is unsupported, and you can actually get the swarf away because the machine will turn upside down and machine.
So we're actually talking about the machining process being upside down with the spindle being horizontal and the component literally being upside down.
Upside down, yeah, that's right. And the size of the table, you can normally use the longest tool with the biggest part on the table as well. So that's another unique situation because the spindle can retract up what we call the tunnel and it's always supported, so it's still got good support all the time for a long tool to be used on the machine.
And the range? What's the smallest and what's the largest configuration?
We do a G350, which is 600mm diameter machine, right up to a 750, which is a 1280 diameter machine.
Mm-hmm. So with GROB's unique machining process, how accurate can that be?
Well, Joe, we have thousands of machines all over the world producing different parts. Some of those are really challenging parts. As you can see in our tech centre here, we can machine almost anything.